I hit the stump right on, eh? Did you see the complete somersault?
That was perfect, man.
Did you get it on camera?
I think I did. Is it what color?
Red.
It's all right.
Oh, I'm off.
Let's drag it up.
Don't help me, okay?
Okay.
I want to say that I did it myself.
Absolutely. You're in. You're on, buddy.
That was a complete 360 in the air, wasn't it?
That was spectacular. That's what we were looking for.
Do you want it spectacular?
If you're not going to get up there clean, make it spectacular.
That's got to go on YouTube.
Oh, buddy, that was awesome. I got a few good videos this weekend, I'll tell you.
And that was all in seconds.
Was it?
Can't help.
Nope, I'm not helping. You're on your own. And there it is. Congratulations, buddy, you're up.
You have to pass that on the road.
People have no idea. They can't tell from the video camera how brutal that is.
Nothing will show it better than that, eh?
Eh?
That was, I was watching the bike. That's a perfect 360.
It was good. It was awesome. This is what I said. I really hope they have people here on Friday taking pictures and video, because it'll be just spectacular, man. I'm shutting her down.